When full self-driving, beta, is engaged, the steering wheel icon is blue and a blue line represents your driving path. To accommodate the rebuilding and widening of the Central Tri-State Tollway, I-294, the Illinois Tollway, in conjunction with the Illinois Department of Transportation, will reconstruct and improve several ramps and bridges at the I55 Interchange, along with mainline roadway reconstruction and widening in the area. The work will not change the existing configuration of the interchange. Tesla's full self-driving, FSD, suite may attract a lot of skepticism from critics, but the fact remains that it is one of the most advanced driver assist systems available for consumers today. With the rollout of FSD, Supervised, Tesla has effectively brought supervised assisted driving to inner-city streets. Tesla FSD, Supervised, competes only with sophisticated autonomous driving solutions from companies like Waymo and Cruise. Tesla could further refine FSD, Supervised, to such a degree that it is unequivocally safer than an average human driver in both freeways and inner-city streets. Eight cameras and powerful vision processing provide 360 degrees of visibility at up to 250 meters of range. To make use of a camera suite this powerful, each Tesla car has a powerful set of vision processing tools developed by Tesla. Built on a deep neural network, Tesla Vision deconstructs the car's environment at greater levels of reliability than those achievable with classical vision processing techniques. To make sense of all of this information, our Hardware 3 onboard computer processes more than 40 times the data compared to our previous generation system. This computer runs the Tesla-developed neural net, which is the foundation for how we train and develop autopilot. This system provides a view of the world that a driver alone cannot access, seeing in every direction simultaneously, and on wavelengths that go far beyond the human senses. Tesla FSD version 12 like a human brain. Some say that Tesla's full self-driving, FSD, 12.3 version reacts more like a human driver, including moving around more quickly and taking risks when turning into oncoming traffic. FSD 12.1 uses single-stack neural nets trained with millions of video clips for the driving controls, which some say results in smooth driving. Michael Dell has also praised FSD 12.3 for resembling human-like driving capabilities. The primary advantage of Tesla's FSD is that it is always paying attention and calculating what to do, whereas a human driver can get distracted, have their mind wander, and is affected by fatigue. Tesla Autopilot is the best of the best in terms of functionality, especially with the full self-driving package that includes the ability to work on city streets and respond to traffic controls, and has the Navigate on Autopilot feature that automatically routes the vehicle on closed-access freeway systems, on-ramp to off-ramp. Tesla continually updates Autopilot with powerful features rolling out all the time. However, it's so powerful it can be used almost anywhere, meaning it's up to the driver to pay attention and use it properly, as driver monitoring is only via the steering wheel. Tesla is rolling out an exciting opportunity for its customers in the United States and Canada to experience the full self-driving, Supervised, feature for 1 month, free of charge. Yes, it is called Supervised now and not beta. Tesla owners in the US and Canada can enjoy a free month of FSD, Supervised, provided their vehicles are equipped with either software update version March 6, 2024 or March 10, 2024, which is now rolling out to the masses in North America. This initiative is part of Tesla's effort to introduce users to the advancements in autonomous driving technology, specifically the enhancements in the FSD V12 upgrades. Full self-driving is no longer beta. Under your supervision, full self-driving, Supervised, can drive your Tesla almost anywhere. It will make lane changes, select forks to follow your navigation route, navigate around other vehicles and objects, and make left and right turns. Although Tesla has moved away from the FSD beta wording and it's now officially called FSD, Supervised, always remember that this feature requires you to be constantly aware of your surroundings and to monitor the vehicle closely. While FSD will navigate, change lanes, and even take turns, it's imperative to stay attentive and cautious. The system is designed to assist, not replace, the driver. It does not make your vehicle autonomous. The full self-driving, supervised, upgrade represents a significant leap forward, transitioning the city streets driving stack to a single, end-to-end neural network. This evolution from explicit coding to neural-based learning aims to enhance your driving experience significantly.